today we're basically going to be tinting these windows black. So we've got one on this side, one on the other side. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So the first thing, obviously I've just bought, it's about £30, I've bought some 95% window tint. It basically means it blocks out 95% of the light. I'll put the price and the links on the screen, and then I basically just bought a window tinting kit and a truck's just pulled up. But anyhow, this has got everything that you need to tint the window. So here's the step by step of how to do it.
Step number 1, clean the window. Just use some soap and water. You will have to repeat this process several times. Step number 2, you need to use this scratchy thing, yes that is the technical term, to take off any excess on the window. You'll need to do this both inside and outside the window. Step number 3. Once you've finished cleaning on the outside, you've guessed it, you've got to jump in the van and repeat the whole process on the inside. Step number 4, once you have finished cleaning your window, you spray your window and add the window tint film. This is so it can temporarily stick to the window and you can measure up the correct size. As you can see, this stage takes several attempts. It is rather fiddly and it was much easier with 2 people. Our top tip is measure, measure and measure again. You are obviously cutting this film and you need to make sure you get it the right size. Step number 5, cut the film. Now this sounds relatively simple, however, again our top tip would be cut bigger than you need, then decrease to the size accordingly. Step number 6, when you are happy with your cut, you can remove the window tint and take it inside the van where you're going to fix it to the window permanently. Step number 7, apply it to the inside of the window. In this clip, we have already attached the film to the window. It is extremely fiddly and that's why we ended up not filming it. However, the film is on the window and currently Ash is just sealing the sides and smoothing out any bubbles.
So long story short is it's done, but if you're a perfectionist, just pay someone to do it, because I creased, I'm not sure if you can see, I'll do some close-ups in a minute. Basically I creased some of the things, I've cut it a little bit short on some ends, there's a few hairs underneath it, there's a little scratch, there's a few little bubble marks that I'm not peeling off to get out. So if you want perfection, pay someone to do it. If you can put up with minor mistakes, then it's very stressful, but it's in and it looks alright. I'll take some pictures and some videos to show you. That's alright from this side. So it's just the odd few little bubble marks you can see.
Thanks for watching. We hope that these 7 simple tips have helped. As Ash said, if you are a perfectionist, it probably is better to get somebody else to do the job. However, by doing it yourself, you save a lot of money. And we didn't think it turned out too bad. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.